two, Mommy?
You want 2 cupcakes?
Yeah.
Okay. And Diego's gonna eat his first.
Give me a picture.
I'm taking a picture right now. I'm recording.
Mommy.
What?
Turn the button.
It's on.
See?
I want to show people how you eat your cupcake.
Let's see.
I said baby bites.
Not big bites.
Not big bites.
Okay. I want to go to my chair too. For climbing.
What happened to the baby bite?
It falls down.
Diego.
Ah!
There's Carolina. Okay.
Can I see it?
Well, I'm waiting for you to eat your cupcake. No, not the paper.
I'm just gonna take the chocolate off of it. Okay, Mommy?
Okay.
Uh-uh.
Diego, can you wait a minute, please? Did you put that whole thing in there? I said baby bites.
Say big bite, not little bite. This big.
That was a big bite.
Honey, not listening.
She's not listening.
Honey, not gonna make baby bites.